In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to direct message to multiple users in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a private group conversation for quick coordination without creating a new channel. First, open Slack on your desktop or in your browser, and make sure you're on the home view of the right workspace. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the left sidebar with your channels and direct messages. If you use multiple workspaces, double-check the workspace name in the top left so you're messaging the correct teammates. Next, look in the left sidebar for the Direct Messages section. To start a new group DM, click the small plus icon next to Direct Messages. This opens a new message window where you can choose who should be included. It's perfect for short-term planning, quick approvals, or anything that doesn't need a full channel. In the To field, begin typing the names of the people you want to message. As you type, Slack will suggest teammates. Click each one to add them. You can add several people here. Slack supports group direct messages with a small group. If your audience is larger or ongoing, consider creating a channel instead so you have a dedicated space and an easy way to add or remove members later. Before you move on, glance over the list to make sure you've selected the right people. If you picked someone by mistake, just remove their name from the field. Now compose your message in the box below. Start with a short, clear opener that sets context, like why you're reaching out and what you need. This helps everyone get on the same page fast. Press Enter to send, or click the send icon. If you want a line break instead of sending, use Shift plus Enter. You can attach files, share links, and even add emoji to keep things friendly and readable. Because this is a direct message, only the people you included will see the conversation, and notifications will go just to them. If you realize you need to involve more people later, it's often better to move the discussion to a channel so everyone can follow along and new members can be added easily. That's it. You've opened Slack, started a new group direct message from the sidebar, added the right people in the To field, and sent a clear, focused message. Use this for quick, private collaboration and switch to a channel when the topic grows. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.